What are you doing? Now you're trying to get out? Have you been painting?
Yeah.
Show Mommy what you painted.
I painted fishes.
You did?
Yeah.
Did you have fun painting today?
Yeah.
Are you supposed to paint your face?
Yep.
Are you supposed to paint your arms?
Yeah.
Are you supposed to paint your tummy?
Yeah.
Yeah, but where does Mommy tell you to paint?
I paint.
Where does Mommy always tell you to paint?
I paint my chair.
No, not on your chair. Where does Mommy tell you to paint? On what?
At the water.
There's the water. Where does Mommy tell you to paint? On the paper, right?
Right.
Yeah, on the paper. Not all over you, okay?
Okay. On me.
What does that P stand for?
Princess.
Oh, who made it?
Me.
What'd you make it with?
Black ribbon and crayons.
I see.
And paper and scissors.
Wow, how creative you are.
And now what I'm making. I'm making a chart full of colors. Here's one.
A color chart, I see.
And look, here's on this one.
Oh, I see.